So today I'm just going to show you how we use prepared microscopy slides across the whole of GCSE biology. Since the new specification abolished coursework, students are now expected to be able to remember the parts of a microscope, know exactly what they do and how they're used.
Here's how we do pre-prepared slide sets.
I've got sets for blood, lung tissue, nervous system, specialised cells, botany, testes, heart tissues, root hair cells. It can be a really nice short 10-15 minute activity to break up a single lesson, or even a longer activity if you wanted to add some drawings and estimate cell sizes.
So I'll just quickly show you how we walk through lung tissue.
So this is a really nice example of sectioning. So this has been sectioned transversely, horizontally across the lung. And we can draw attention to the fact that specimens need to be cut ultra thin, 1 cell thick. Zooming in straight away, we can see those bronchioles. So I really like showing this with lung dissection, where they actually feel the different textures of tissues in the lung tissue and the trachea. And we can actually see that difference of texture in the bronchioles and the lung tissue itself. So here we can see some light, fine lung tissue in comparison to something like these cartilage rings that are much darker and denser, and that relates to structure and function. Now this part's my favourite part, so zooming in, we can actually see individual alveolus. Massively different to what a textbook would look like. This is stained with H&E, which is a pretty universal stain, so light pink cytoplasm, dark pink purple nucleus, but it stains blood a kind of red orangey colour. So if we look really carefully, we can see that network of 1 cell thick alveoli, and we can actually see how delicate this tissue is. Really great for teaching specialised cells, tissues, organs, organism, and you can use it in conjunction with blood and the heart when teaching circulatory system. And in each ring you should be able to see a red or orange dot, which are going to be those capillaries that facilitate the diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the alveoli. So these are some textbook diagrams of lung tissue. You can have the textbook open next to them, you can have them printed out, or you can have them on the PowerPoint on the whiteboard. And also illustrates really nicely that what you see in a textbook isn't necessarily exactly what you're going to see in real life, but it's a really lovely opportunity for students to see real lung tissue and those specialised cells inside the lung.